how to transfer data from broken iPhone to iPhone. So if you want to transfer data, then just watch this video. Now to get started, you need to run this application, and the application is iMyPhone Debug. Once you run this application, you need to switch to fixed iOS system, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Then click on the standard mode to proceed. Once the repair process is finished, your iPhone will boot into a normal state. Now you can do the following operation, which is step 1 is to select recover from iOS device and then click on start. And step 2, you need to connect and scan your iOS device. You need to connect your iPhone to your computer. Click on trust this computer and enter your password, and then next when the program recognizes the device. Now from all the data types, you need to choose photos. Then you need to click on scan. And step 3 will be preview and recover photos from the iPhone. As soon as the scan is completed, click the photos or select the photos that you need to retrieve and click on recover. And this way you'll be able to transfer your data from your broken iPhone to iPhone. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.